today is going to be a pretty chill day. If you didn't know, I'm a software engineer, so I'm working on a big project right now. I'm going to finish up the UI, the front end portion, and then work on some unit and UI testing, and then probably demo it to my team later. But yeah, I'm gonna cook some breakfast right now. So this is what my breakfast looks like. Avocado, egg white with spinach, a little ketchup, and Beyond Breakfast sausage. I warmed up some pesto pasta I made last night, but I have to go to Target later because I ran out of body wash, and it's still very icy on the roads. It's like 20 degrees. It's really cold. It does get cold here in Texas. I didn't know that. You guys not from the East Coast, but it does get cold here. It rarely snows. I mean, it snowed a couple days, but I mean, it was like less than 1 inches. But yeah, they said it's really unsafe to drive if you have to go out, and it says that they say that it's only if you need to. Now I need body wash, so I do need to go outside. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I might go outside and skate. I saw some people outside kind of like playing around, and kids playing, because schools are closed because of the roads. It's interesting because I don't see any trucks putting salt on the roads. Like, I don't see anything like that. So technically schools don't have to be closed because it's not like there's 10 inches of snow. It's just icy. So if they add salt, then it should reduce the iciness. But I don't know. We don't have trucks like that here. I haven't seen any trucks like that. Like, I see residents like putting out, you know, salt on the sidewalks, and I'm like, why are you doing that? I'm like, shouldn't there be someone else doing that? I don't know whose job it is, but it's very interesting here. Just got off of work. I'm all zipped up, got my hat on, I'm about to put on my sneakers. But I was supposed to cook a tofu bowl today, but I don't feel like cooking that for dinner. I'll cook it tomorrow. So I want to go out to Chipotle, get some food, and then I want to go to Target. Let's see how this is. The roads are still a little bit slippery, but yeah, I need body wash, so I need to go out today. Let's go. I wanted to show you guys the body care products I bought from Target. So I was like running out of lotion. Actually, not even running out. I don't have coconut oil. That's what I normally use. I don't have any of that. And then the body wash that I do have, this is the one that I was using, Olay. Like, there's nothing coming out of here. But I feel, it feels a little heavy. So I feel like there's there's still like stuff at the bottom. There's still soap at the bottom. My mom would usually just cut it open and scoop it out. But I don't want to do that. It's a little ghetto, you know. It works, but I was like, I don't want to cut it open. So I just bought new body wash. So I have this Olay and eucalyptus oil Dove soap. Whew. It smells so good. So I'm trying out this one. I always like trying out new ones. And then I have the rose oil soap. Dove again. It smells good. It's actually a stronger smell. But yeah, got this one. Oh yeah, I didn't realize I bought 2 of these. No wonder everything was $50. I was like, why does everything cost $50? Okay, so I bought 2 of these. I don't know. Maybe I put one and then he put one in the cart. And I was scanning everything and I handed everything to him. Maybe I didn't realize there were 2, but I got this Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. It smells so good. But like, I can't do the Nivea Aveeno. Usually those lotions are not really moisturizing for my skin. And it looks like my skin is moisturized. Once I go outside, it's just, I'm ashy all over again. So I need like oil. So I got this one. Ooh, it smells so good. First time getting it. Let's go, why not try it? So I got that. And then my first time actually getting cocoa butter. This is Daily Skin Therapy, Release Rough and Dry Skin, 48 hour moisture. I'm really upset I bought 2. Like, we can't go over budget, guys. You guys know I just did my February monthly reset, and then my home budget is $50, and I literally spent $50, so I'm done for this month. Like, I do need detergent. I think he might get it, but I'm done. So, yeah, I'll put that away. It actually wasn't bad outside, guys. Like, I thought it was going to be really slippery and icy. It was raining, so that did help, but it wasn't icy at all. So, I don't know. There's people are still saying it's like a winter storm. And like, I've been in a winter storm. I'm talking about like 10, 11 inches of snow to the point where like you couldn't even walk or drive anywhere. I have been in a winter storm. This is not too bad, but I don't know. I guess it's just me. But yeah, I'm going to put everything away. I just wanted to quickly show you what I got.